In our lesson today, we are taking or looking at an example of directional derivative. So it says find the derivative of this function. This is our function at this point 1, -1 in the direction of our unit vector. So we have our function, which is f here, the point P, and the unit vector. So you realize for our unit vector, this is what A, and this will be our B. So the first thing to do, one, you find the partial derivatives. So let's do that. So we have our function, which is this. So we find a partial derivative with respect to x, y, and this is this of the function minus 4xy minus 1 divided by 4, x to the power 4 minus 1 divided by 4, y to the power 4. So differentiating with respect to x, this then gives us, this will be minus 4y, then this will give us what, x cubed. This part goes towards 0. Then the partial derivative with respect to y. So fy is going to be a partial derivative with respect to y of the function minus 4xy minus 1 over 4 x to the power 4 minus 1 divided by 4 y to the power 4. And this will give us minus 4x. There's no components of y here, so that goes to 0. We have minus y cubed. Then the second step, so now we know the partial derivative. So we want to find 2, the value. So find the value of the partial derivative at the points 1, -1. So we first find fx at 1, -1, and that gives us, you have minus 4, y is -1, minus x is 1 cubed, and this will give us 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. Then the points 1 here, minus 1, for the derivative with respect to y. So I have minus 4, x is 1, minus y is -1 cubed, and this will give us minus 4, this will give minus plus 1, and this is equal to -3. So what's now, this is the formula we are using. So from here you realize that, so let's write u. So 3, our unit vector u, which is our a, b, depending on which variable you used, it's equal to this 1 divided by 2 square root of 2, then minus 1 divided by 2 square root of 2. So we know this is equal to A and this is equal to B. So then finally I can write the directional derivative. So your directional derivative is then going to be, you have du of f at the point 1 minus 1, which is equal to the partial derivative. So we have fx at the point 1 minus 1 of what, a, plus fy at the point 1 minus 1 b. And what is this at this point? It is 3a. It's 1 divided by 2 square root of 2 plus fy at this point, it's negative 3, and b is this, so negative 1 over 2 square root of 2. And this is going to be equal to, this is 3 divided by 2 square root of 2 plus 3 divided by 2 square root of 2. So then your final answer, if you add this, then it is going to be equal to 3 square root of 2. So this then is the directional words derivative of the function, then giving the function the unit vector and the points at will. We'll take another example in our next lesson. Till then, kindly stay safe and don't forget to subscribe.